Hello everyone. Now I will tell you in this video about some of the more points of organon of medicines. Out of these points, I have already told you in the previous videos about the organon of medicine. Now we will start that the number of medicines proved by Hahnemann were 99. Hahnemann was not in the aversion to external application for the treatment of the figwarts. In the organon of medicine, Hahnemann was in the favor of the treatment of figwarts by the application of Thuja Q. Hahnemann died in Paris, and Hahnemann's death certificate was issued by Jahar. First cemetery where Hahnemann was buried was at Montmartre, and second was at Paris-Lisque cemetery. Means he was buried twice after the death. Hahnemann wrote in German, French, and Latin languages. Hahnemann's medical essay was published first in Krebs' Medical Observation. So the question was that Hahnemann's medical essays published in which places. That was in Krebs' Medical Observation. Essay on a new principle and medicine of experience, which was written in 1805, are regarded as the precursors of organon of medicine. That means organon of medicine is based on the essay on the new principles and medicine of experience. As we all know that the editions of the organon of medicines were appeared in 1810, 1819, 1824, 1829 and 1833. In the 6th edition, the preparation of drugs slightly given than the previous one. Slightly preparation of medicine is given in 6th edition. In 6th edition, vital force is replaced by the vital principle. Odis pare is come from the Latin language, which means dare to be wise, and it was used by the Hahnemann in the 2nd edition. First medicine proved by Hahnemann was the China, where he took the 4 drachms of China twice daily. First nosol proved by Hahnemann is Sorinum. Term Odis pare coined by Horace. Asclepius in Balance is written by Hahnemann. Hahnemann used white Haileybury for cholera. Hahnemann used word Odis pare first time in 1819, that is in the 2nd edition of Organon of Medicine. He used the word Odis pare. Hahnemann devoted Tuesday and Thursday to write 6th edition of Organon of Medicine. This is very important and rare kind of question. Typhus referred by Hahnemann in chronic diseases. That means he referred typhus fever in chronic diseases, and he recommended medicine Brinian and Rustox for this, or alternately Briny and Rustox. This is written in the Organon of Medicine somewhere in, I think in the footnotes it is written. Kluckenberg was an insane person treated by the Hahnemann. Army Journal treated by Hahnemann was Schwarzenberg. Doctor who crossed words with Hahnemann on management of burns. He was Dzondi, Dzondi, means the cross questions between Hahnemann and Dzondi was occurred for the management of the burns. Aphoristic style adopted by the Hippocrates first, and then afterwards Hahnemann used the aphorism style in his Organon of Medicine. Word organon has come from the Greek. Novum organum has come from the Latin language. And idea of preparation of antisyphilitic remedy by Hahnemann given in the 2nd edition of Materia Medica Pura. The preparation for the antisyphilitic medicine is given in the 2nd edition of Materia Medica Pura. Hahnemann published a Latin repertory in 1817 year. Latin repertory. So now I will tell you a little about the editions of the Organon of Medicine. Some of the points I have noted down. Others, if any other points missed over here, then I will tell you in the next video. The first edition of, as we all know, that Organon of Medicine were published in 1810, and first English translation was done in 1913 of first edition by C.E. Wheeler. Hanji sir. ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਜੀ?
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਖਾਰਸੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਫਿਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਈਦੀ ਦਵਾਈ ਲੇਟ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ।
ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੋਈ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਸੀ?
ਪਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਜੀ।
ਸੁੱਕੀ ਖਾਰਿਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਜੀ?
ਹਾਂ ਸੁੱਕੀ ਖਾਰਿਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਮੈਂ ਕੋਕੋਨਟ ਦਾ ਤੇਲ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੇ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੇ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਸਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਵਾਈ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦੇ ਦੇਣੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰ ਲਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦੇ ਆਉਂਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਟੈਪ ਪਕੜਾ ਆਉਂਗੀ
ਠੀਕ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ
So I was discussing about the first edition of Organon of Medicine that was first published in 1810. First English translation was done in 1913 of first edition by C.E. Wheeler. Now we will discuss about the second edition of Organon of Medicine which appeared in 1819 named as the augmented edition. As we all know, Oedipus Pari word was first used and the aphorism number 216, 70, 270, 218 are absent, so aphorisms are 350 not 318 in this edition, translated in French by the Baron von Brunum. You will see this name of the Baron von Brunum in the starting pages of the Organon of Medicine. Third edition was published in the Organon of Medicine in 1824 at Coethurn, and this is known as the improved edition. Fourth edition of Organon of Medicine appeared in 1829. This is known as augmented and improved edition both. Fourth edition translation in English by Charles H.D. Variant in 1833. Third and fourth edition translated to French by G. Bourneau in 1832. Fourth and fifth edition is known as augmented and improved edition and translated by Herring into English in the North America Academy in 1836, and second translation in English by Dudgeon firstly in 1849 he has done, and then in 1893 Dudgeon has done the English translation of the fourth and fifth edition. In fifth edition of Organon of Medicine, vital force and doctrine of isopathy introduces first time, and emendations by the Dr. Richard Hughes was done, and in fourth edition the theory of chronic disease was first time introduced. In sixth edition of Organon of Medicine that appeared in 1921, 78 years after the death of the Hahnemann, he left the manuscripts in 1842. English translation was done by William Borick in 1921. Vital force is replaced by the vital principle, and this was the points about the editions of the Organon of Medicine. What else is left? Yes, the one point is that during the First World War, the manuscripts of the Organon of Medicines were lost, means in 1914 to 1918 during the First World War. Then the second wife of Hahnemann died in 1878, named Melanie Hahnemann. Second wife of Hahnemann's name was Mary Melanie Hahnemann. Manuscripts were after the death of his wife. Manuscripts of the Organon were with the Derep and the Karl von Bonninghausen, who is the son-in-law of Melanie. Richard Hale published this posthumous edition in 1921. Posthumous edition means after the death of the Hahnemann. The sixth edition of Organon of Medicine was published by the Richard Hales. Thank you so much. This all was about the Organon of Medicine and their editions. Next we will discuss about the aphorism styles or the various points given in the footnotes of the Organon of Medicine. Thank you so much, and for the notes, if anybody needs, please message me personally on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.